Hello, good morning. This is Ashraf. Today we installed four-way camera in Nissan Bاترول 2021. It's a 4D technology. Okay, look the view. You can check the quality of camera. Look, after all view you can see in the screen. You can also change the color of your car. It's a new technology. It's a golden. You can also control your camera brightness from screen. Okay, when you reverse your car, look, and this is the best option of this device. You can move your steering on the right side. Camera also move with the steering. When I move the steering on the left side, look in the screen. Camera also moving. Easy to reverse now. No need to cut any wire. It's a plug and play device. You can check the quality of camera. With the installation, it's a right side camera. Now it's a front camera. It's a rear side camera, same as original. It's the best option for your new model car, 20 and 21 model only. If you want, just contact me on my WhatsApp number mentioned in the detail.